Welcome to the assembly video of the CBZ EV bike manufactured by Panda Baby Products. Main body, front headlight, front fork, main handle, support wheels, nuts, keys, charger. First flip the body upside down and fix the support wheels at its place with the help of nuts. Now take the front fork and attach the wiring. Insert the front fork into the main body. Now place the main handle with the help of nuts. Attach the wires of both handle and front headlight for light and music. Fix the front headlight with the help of nuts. Now take the side mirrors and place it as shown. Open the seat cover and do with wirings as shown and close the seat cover back. Use the key to turn on the bike to roll. Charging port. Now that this bike is ready for your baby to ride on.